Chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate, right? So I'm gonna show you a recipe of a dark rich chocolate cake. I wasn't such a big fan before of chocolate cakes, but this one really changed my mind. It's not that hard to make, so let's go make it. We start by adding the sugar to a bowl, along with the butter that's at room temperature. Add some vanilla essence, cocoa powder. I should have cut the package better here. And 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Don't worry, this won't taste like coffee, it will only make the chocolate taste better. Now use the mixer and mix this until it combines. Don't forget to scrape the sides. After that, we're gonna add 3 eggs and mix again until combined. Again, don't forget to scrape the sides. We're gonna add the flour along with some baking powder and milk. Mix it a little by hand if you don't want flour dust all over your face. And then start your mixer at low speed. And guess what? We have to scrape the sides again. Now take some dark chocolate and cut it in chunks of different sizes, not too big though. Mix them in your cake composition with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Add the baking paper to your baking pan and rub some butter to the sides so the composition won't stick to them. Now add your composition. My baking pan is 25 cm long and 8 cm wide at the bottom. Give it a bong and put it in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius for around 50 minutes to 1 hour. Now while that's baking, we're gonna need some white chocolate. You can still use dark or milk chocolate. And add some hot heavy cream on top so it can melt. Don't do what I did. Let the heavy cream sit on top of the chocolate for like 1 minute and then mix. It will be easier to melt. Anyway, after the chocolate melts, put it in the fridge until the cake is ready and down at room temperature. I really don't know how to use these decoration tools. I know how to cook, not to decorate stuff, so bear with me. Add that chocolate ganache on top and put it back in the fridge for at least 1 hour. I'm personally happy with the end result and I think it looks great. I also added some strawberry sauce on top. Now slice it and enjoy this rich dark chocolate cake. If I can compare this texture to anything, it's towards a cakey brownie. But if you let it sit enough in the fridge, the texture will change and it will be better. I hope you'll try to make this at home, and if you enjoy my recipes, please consider leaving a like and subscribe for more as I post every week. See ya next time!